Hi guys, it's Mama Fontana. We told you we're going to do something a little bit different this week, and we've asked for some questions, and I do have some questions from you guys that I'm going to answer, but I would just want to thank you first and foremost for watching the videos, and we've kind of taken some time off for the holidays just like most of you did too, so thank you for hanging in there. This can be a little bit different video, but next week we'll be back to cooking. So I just want to give you a little bit of background on me. So I have 3 boys. And I've lived in Utah most of my life. My husband and I lived in San Diego for just a short time after we got married. I have 4 grandkids, and we just have such a really awesome family life. And I work all day, and then I do this on the side, and this is really very enjoyable, and it's relaxing. And so I really appreciate that you guys are continuing to watch. And I checked on my YouTube channel, and we're almost to 200 subscribers. So please, please, please reach out. That's a milestone for me. If you'll reach out to your friends, share it with them, see if they would like to subscribe, and let's keep this thing going and growing. We're going to start with Jen Miller. I just wanted to say thank you for saying you're going to be a Fontana family fan for life. I appreciate that. And thank you so much for the awesome gift. I hope you loved your spaghetti, and I really appreciate what you sent and the kind thoughts. Also, Heidi, I want to always call you Heidi Harkness, but Heidi Carsey, I saw that you commented, Happy New Year, not just to you, but to everybody out there. Heidi, I'm so glad you're watching. Heidi and I have been friends since junior high. So we've known each other for a couple days. And she's really awesome person. Also, Robbie Pinnell. Robbie is my son Patrick's, one of his BFFs. They've been friends forever. And I don't know if anybody saw the comments that he made. He wanted to know if he was still my favorite son. So a lot of my son's friends over the years have called me Mom. So I've known him for a long time. So Robbie, hi. You're always going to be one of my favorite sons. Sarah would argue and say that she's now my favorite son. She always says that, so kind of funny. Peggy Salters. Hello, Peggy. She said she wanted to know what was the oldest recipe in my arsenal. So honestly, Peggy, I have a lot of old recipes, some that I'm still going through, but I would have to say that my #1 oldest recipe in my arsenal is my bread. And you saw me make bread and rolls, and that actually was my grandma's. Then it was my mom's. I don't know that any of my sisters make that bread anymore, but I know I do. And it's really a family favorite. So now one of my nieces, Jocelyn Carlson, she wanted to know my favorite family tradition. It's still got to be the holidays. I mean, we do so many things at Christmas time that are our tradition. I mean, everything from Christmas Eve is when everybody comes here. We go either to my house or my son's, and we open presents. That's when we have our big meal. We usually do a prime rib or steaks or something. So I would say my favorite family tradition is definitely Christmas Eve is probably the best. So Holly, I am probably going to massacre your name. I want to say it's Naoka, something like that. Thank you so much for the comments, and I'm sorry that if I pronounced it incorrectly, which I probably did. She wants to know if I prefer baking, stovetop, grill, or cooking. If I had to pick one, I probably would say baking. But I really like to cook all around. So, I kind of like to think I'm an all-around girl, so I kind of like to do a little bit of everything. Karen Collins. Hey, Karen. She is my friend, and she is in Memphis, Tennessee. She wanted to know what my favorite meal is. And honestly, I have a couple. But if I choose to cook something, honestly, it's usually either Italian or Mexican. If I had to choose one favorite meal, it would be chili verde. We do those in burritos, either breakfast or just for dinner. Cherish Simmons, you wanted to know if I buy my food on a budget, and I absolutely do buy my food on a budget. I make a list. That's imperative. If you've got stuff that you need to have a list, because if you don't make a list, you're going to, number one, forget stuff and go back and have to get something that you forgot, and you're going to end up buying more. I'm telling you, you will. So make sure you make a list of everything that you need so you can make it in one trip. You'll save yourself time, and I can guarantee you'll save yourself money too. So tomorrow is going to be my son's birthday. Happy birthday, Josh. He's going to be 32, going on 12 sometimes, huh, honey? And so he has asked for lasagna for his birthday dinner. So he's kind of a typical Italian boy. He almost always asks for lasagna. So we're going to come back with some more videos with food starting next week. But this is just a quick video. We wanted to come back and tell you that we've missed you. We've been gone for a couple weeks, taking the holidays off like the rest of you. And we appreciate you guys subscribing and watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing. We love all of you guys, and we love that you're watching us. So as I always say, I share the love of cooking with my family. Now I'm sharing it with you. See you next time.